Hello and welcome to this tutorial on list slicing in Python. In this video, we'll be discussing what list slicing is and how to use it. List slicing is a common practice in Python and is used by programmers to access a range of elements in a list. To slice a list, you can use the simple slicing operator, which is the colon. With this operator, you can specify where to start the slicing, where to end it, and the step size. List slicing returns a new list from the existing list. The above expression returns the portion of the list from index initial to index end, at a step size of index jump. Let's take a look at an example. Suppose we have a list lst equals. If we want to access the first three elements of this list, we can use list slicing as follows, lst. This will return. List slicing can also be used with negative indexes. For example, if we want to access the last three elements of our list lst, we can use lst, which will return. In summary, list slicing is a powerful technique that allows you to access specific portions of a list. Thank you for watching this tutorial on list slicing in Python. We hope you found it helpful.